Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a PDF on WPS Office on Android or iOS. So if you are using WPS on mobile, you can follow the steps here. If you then don't have the application yet, you can find it on the App Store or Play Store. So after you download and install it, you can just launch the application and then sign in. So I'm using my Google account to sign in. And to start, you can just tap on create in here. And then I'm going to go with a doc. Okay, so you can use from the templates in here, or you can also create a document from scratch. So I'm going to just click on blank here, and a new document will be open. You can just write or make a document that you want. I'm going to just write how to create a PDF on WPS Office. Okay, like this. And you can modify the file before saving it. You can change the font, change the color, or make the text to how you like it. Okay, for example, I'm going to change or make it bigger. Here, if you want to change the text color, you can find it at the bottom. You can also change the alignment of the text. You can also go with the mobile view. Okay, and then when you are done with your editing, you need to click on save at the top in here. Click on this save icon, and then the name, create the name of the file. And then tap on save. And now what you need to do to save it as PDF, you can click on this icon at the bottom left corner, go to file, and there will be this option export to PDF. Click on that, and now tap on export to PDF again, and just like that, the PDF will be created. This one. Okay, I'm going to go with basic and export to PDF. Now it will be saved as a PDF file. So this is the PDF version of the document that I just created. And that's how you can create a PDF on WPS Office. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit on the thumbs up button, and also leave a comment if you still have questions, and don't forget to click on thanks and subscribe. Bye.